Welcome back, everybody. Got another rainy day for you, but we got a super nice car to show you. This is a 2012 Volkswagen Routan SE Premium, and it is a one-owner unit with a perfect Carfax. You can see the body is poker straight on it. Very well maintained. Lots of options. Leather interior, power seat, you got a power rear gate, you got a factory DVD entertainment system, navigation, backup cam, power sliding side doors, bucket second row, non-smoker unit. Super clean. With the premium sound system, Bluetooth, streaming audio, steering wheel controls, leather wrapped wheel, tons of storage, fold away third row. Great van. This vehicle is going to qualify for a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the driveline. Guaranteed credit approval is also going to be available on this Volkswagen. You're looking approximately $795 starting down. All through the shop service, perfect Carfax, 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract. Extra clean van just in time for the summer driving season. Come on down, DasCleveland.com.